Hey friends, let's see food that kids should eat in monsoon. With monsoon season upon us, it's important to take care of our health and immune system. Number first is turmeric. Turmeric is an excellent antioxidant as it contains a component called curcumin. A hot glass of turmeric milk before bed can help your child to sleep better and boost their immune system. Yes. Number second is soups. Friends, soups are the most warming food in the rainy season, and kids love to slurp them. Either a hot vegetable soup or creamy tomato soup. You can choose the right herbs and flavors as per the season for your kiddo. Number third is seasonal fruits. It is highly recommended to give the kids seasonal fruits such as lychee, plum, peach, and jamuns during the rainy season. Number fourth is nuts and dry fruits. Dry fruits such as walnuts, dates, raisins, and almonds are potent sources of vitamins and antioxidants. A handful of dry fruits can work really wonders. We'll see the next one now. The fifth one is protein rich foods. Legumes, beans, quinoa, dal, lentils, paneer, and other seasonal suitable dairy products are protein rich foods for kids. Number 6 is honey. Friends, honey's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects are well known. Honey is very useful during rainy season. Seventh number is leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and broccoli are rich in vitamin A, C, and E. Sneak them into soup, salads, or smoothies and enjoy. Eighth number is ghee. Yes, ghee is highly recommended for the monsoons according to Ayurveda, since it promotes better digestion and promotes an overall feeling of well-being in the cold, damp weather. Ninth number is ginger. Ginger is a spice that has lots of healing benefits to the extent that it is considered a must-have during the monsoons. Yes, in tea and any other way, you can have ginger. Number 10 is beetroot. Friends, this vibrant vegetable is very healthy and helps detoxify the body. Even though things may get a little dull for your children, they will still feel a sense of vibrancy and stamina after eating this healthy veggie. So friends, this was it for the video. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment. Thank you.